Talkdesk series. Today I'm excited to speak with Yannick, product owner for call center solution from Worx. Hi, Yannick.
Hi, Perry.
Thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me today. Can you share a quick summary of your organization and your customer service operations?
Sure. Yeah. So Worx is a leading European provider for people solutions that turns HR into a source of value for our customers and its people in it, right? So we provide a wide range of HR solutions. First and foremost, payroll, but also general HR consulting, staffing, training, outsourcing solutions, et cetera, et cetera. So just to give you an idea, we handle more than 5 million payrolls every month, and we outsource 5,500 temp workers every day.
Wow, a lot of people are relying on Worx, it sounds like. Can you share a little bit about the challenges you faced with your previous solution and then what factors led you to selecting Talkdesk?
Yeah, for sure. So I think one of the things that we definitely want to improve on moving forward and having our new call center solution is within Worx, we have all this data available on our customers, but we want to be able to use that data more efficiently and to have our call center solution talk to our data, right? So we want to bring that data to the foreground, make sure that all of our users have that information at their fingertips when they call to a customer, and improve the customer journey that way.
Yeah, data is such an important part of customer experience. Can you tell me a little bit about the customer experience Worx is striving for?
Yeah, so at Worx, customer experience comes first, and this is reflected in everything that we do, and our call center is no exception, right? So whenever a customer calls us, we want them to be serviced by the right team as efficiently as possible, and we want to let our technology support that customer journey without it being too overwhelming. And we take customer satisfaction very seriously, right? So which is why we frequently monitor it using ENPS scores, just to make sure that Worx is still evolving in the right direction.
Yeah, and streamlined technology definitely has benefits for the customer and also for the folks on your team. I understand that you guys use the integrations with Talkdesk with Salesforce and Microsoft. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, for sure. So Salesforce for me is equally as important as Microsoft Teams. Why I think it's so important that we integrate with our internal solutions is because if we can have more efficiency internally, I think that reflects externally, right? So I think more internal efficiency will make happier customers, because if we have everything in order and we can help our customers better, then in terms they will be happy. So having a call center solution that is very flexible like Talkdesk and is able to integrate with that with our solutions, that's paramount.
Yeah, absolutely. Before I let you go, one final question for you. What about customer experience keeps you up at night, Yannick?
That's a good question. So whenever we design a customer journey, we always ask ourselves the question, what would I like to experience when I call Worx? And for me, the key there is in the little details. So when a customer calls us and we prompt an IVR message, for example, let's say they want to log a call back, but they're calling us anonymously and we're not able to read their number, just as an example. We could just play a message saying error, right? That's something we could do, but that's not helping anyone. And then the customer is left confused. So what we also can do, we can tell the customer what went wrong, why it went wrong, and how they can resolve it and or avoid it in the future. It's only 3 sentences, but that will leave a customer, satisfied, and now he understands what he can do to recontact us and avoid that issue in the future. So those are the little things that we can do to make sure that every time a customer calls us, that their customer journey is complete and that they're always leave with that smile on their face.
Yeah, absolutely. It sounds like you show great care for your customers, which is amazing. Thank you so much, Yannick, for taking the time today. We really appreciate you and our partnership with Worx. So thank you for being here.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it.